Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from CNfans. So guys, let's get started. First guys, log in your account, and if you don't have account, create a new account from here option. And after that guys, what you have to do, go to my account here on the top right profile corner, and after that guys, what you have to do, you find different option here. As you can see here on the screen, you have exchange, you have top up, and you have reimburse. So guys, what you have to do, if you have a balance on your account, just click reimburse option, and after that write your amount you want to withdraw. For example, you have 100 this union currency, it's equivalent to $50. Just click confirm guys. And I don't have the limited guys. Withdraw limited XUDs is, for example, this one, and just click confirm guys, this option, and you will withdraw your account depending on the bank account. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. So guys, again, just click this reimburse option and write your amount and link it to your bank account and click confirm. This is how you can do guys. Thanks again for watching this video.